Hello friends! Today we are going to learn amazing facts about birds part 2. Friends, today we will study about the hummingbird, the parrot and the crow. So the parrot. There are around 372 different parrot species. Most parrots live in tropical areas. Parrots are believed to be one of the most intelligent bird species. Some species are known for imitating human voices. Parrots have curved bills, strong legs, and clawed feet. Parrots are of 10 brightly colored. Some parrot species can live for 80 years. New Zealand is home to some of the very unique parrots, including the kia, kaka, and kakapo. Parrots like to eat fruits and seeds. They usually break seeds with their beak and eat them. The next bird is called a crow. Crows are large birds with shiny black feathers. They often live together in families. They are known for their loud voices and their intelligence. These clever, curious birds have a reputation as thieves and pranksters. Crows belong to the group of birds called songbirds, but typically they sound very harsh, as in the caw of the American crow. There are more than 20 species of types of crow. Various types of crow are found nearly all around the world. The American crow is found in the US and Canada. The carrion crow is found in Europe and much of Asia. There are few other types of species and crow, like fish crow and the pied crow and the house crow. The crows are all or mostly black and about 20 inches long. They have powerful beaks, which they used for catching small animals and opening seeds. They eat great variety of plants and small animals. They love to eat corn and grains too. The next bird I'm going to tell you about is called a hummingbird. They are the smallest migrating birds. They don't migrate in flocks like other species. They typically travel alone for up to 500 miles at a time. The naming hummingbird comes from the humming noise their wings make as they beat so fast. Hummingbirds are the only birds as they can fly backwards. Hummingbirds have no sense of smell, while they can sniff out feeders. They have good color vision. Their average weight of a hummingbird is very, very less. Hummingbirds drink nectar from flowers by moving their tongue in and out for about 12 to 13 times per second. They can't walk or hop. Their tiny legs are used for perching and moving sideways when pushed. There are around 300 species of hummingbird. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the notification bell. Bye!